Welcome to your instructional video of how to order with a coupon code from Ilona Selke here on the Multipure page. You can use this to get a 5% extra discount if you use this coupon code, and if you wish to order a unit, a filter, or a replacement filter. In this case, let's just say we wish to order the Aqua Mini replacement filter, but of course you could also choose to purchase the unit here. Let's just order the replacement filter. We click on it. It gets us to order it. Would ordinarily cost $70, and I will give you a subscription trick here, 15% off, and that is even if you do it once a year or every year and a half. For the Aqua Mini, I recommend a 12-month subscription fee. It depends on how much you use it. And now we add it to cart. And now I give you another trick of how to order it with an additional 5%, which is really important for me because this is where you get your extra 5% utilizing my ID number. It's 168656. You apply it, and an additional 5% was taken off, so now instead of $70, you're only paying $56. Then you go to checkout and add your personal information, shipping, and all the details and payment information, and everything is taken care of at checkout. I thank you very much for having joined me here, and I hope that you are as happy as I have been for the last 35 years plus with my Multipure, which we also use at our retreat center in Bali. We use the one that uses the UV filtration light, which is available at Multipure as well. Feel free to check back in with me, and you can write me at my website page, ilonaselke.com, if you have any questions. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to a healthy future together with you.